They just issued a tornado watch.
High wind warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. until 6 p.m. Thursday for the
Issued a tornado watch.
tornado watch number 565 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Barron, Buffalo, Chippewa, Dunn, Eau Claire, Pippin, Pierce, Polk, Rusk, St. Croix, and Trimpealo. This is weather radio station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin.
Crazy stuff. Are they gonna tone it? Come on, tone the thing. Oh, there we go.
Service has issued tornado watch number 565, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Barron, Buffalo, Chippewa, Dunn, Eau Claire, Pippin, Pierce, Polk, Rusk, St. Croix, and Trimpealo. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Oh my god, my 262 didn't go off, but...
Stay tuned to know weather radio,
why? It didn't go off my
commercial radio,
262.
and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest.
Is the alert on? Did I accidentally turn off the alert? Here, hold on.
This is what.
Did I not? I swear I did.